Go. I'm racing on dirt. Oh, blew you. Blew you out of the sky. Asshole. Asshole. No, you won't. No, you won't. Yeah, I was doing that. I just stopped doing it. They get on your way. They pump brake you. They don't step on the brake and shit. What happened, bro? There we go. Comes the curves. Come on, you crashed in the game. I saw you. I saw you, bro. I did fall on the dish. No. I did fall on the dish, bro. Yeah, I stopped. You're stuck. Yo, I fucked my car up. This race fucked this car up. Watch what happened to my car. Check the door. Check my door, bro. Check my door. Check my door. My whole door is gone. Jesus Christ. Hey, come here. I got it. Let me park right here. I got a little spot right here, dude. I buy houses in every place, bro. Watch, I got a house right here, dude. Oh shit, this shit's full. Yeah, I got a car right there, dude. I cannot put it in because I already got it full. But you can park it in the front. In my place, too. You can get in if you want. Come on. Fuck the apartment. I have that little house just to when I will be working at a casino right here, at an arcade. I like to have a place to sleep. Welcome to my humble boat right here. Fill this shit up, bro. I already beat the numbers. Yeah. As I was about to tell you. Hey, do the Madame Bazaar. She do everything, something different every day. I already beat the numbers on with the gun and the motorcycle. I got the highest score. See that? That? You see that? Do you know that I already see my posters for the guy from Red Dead Redemption in here in Los Santos?
I heard I think GTA 6 is going to be kind of like it's going to be based off of a story in this one.
Oh, really?
One of these DLCs that we have.
Yeah. Well, it should. They better don't fucking bring no fucking... I hate that Red Dead Redemption shit. I hate that shit, bro. I never play that game.
I mean, I have it. I have a lot of games that I haven't played.
You have Red Dead Redemption, dude?
Yeah, I have Red Dead Redemption.
Oh, man. fuck that. Me and you got a fucking Game Pass. We gotta do that game shit. I don't want to play that one, but I definitely want to play the fucking Star Wars.
Yo, I finished that in like 2 days.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I finished it in like 2 days.
I heard that the shit that you can just get in any chip, that shit is the coolest shit ever, bro. Go pick up some money, bro. Forgot about it. I almost forgot about it. You see the little money sign?
Oh dang, I just read something over.
It's like they'll be like, watch out. You can run them over and shit. I like it. See how much it gives me.
Oh, that was close. Dude is in the grass. He won't get out the grass.
No, what you do is, you know how you can change the speed? Change, do the same thing. Change the speed from high to low. When you see them, stay in low and then go up again. You could go up there. 73 to 91 miles per hour. And then just try to do as many as I think I went as far as San Andreas. You're gonna see all the cities from here to like San Andreas, Los Santos and all that. You're gonna see it.
How did I run into a tree? Suck at these games.
I beat it. Took me a couple times, but I got used to it. I want to get the car, but it costs too much yet. Oh yeah, this is a thing that I wanted to check. See, if I buy it now, I only have $1 million left. And I'm not ready to have $1 million on it.
I got 42,000.
Come over here.
Oh, it's not letting me exit it.
Oh, just press B. Yeah, just press B. Hold B. You gotta hold B.
Make it switch on me. Let me try to crash or something. No, I'm stuck.
Yo, they put the price for the machines up, bro. You know how much it want? I paid, the more that I paid, it was 410,000. It's actually a machine that is worth more than $420,000. $420,000. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different arcades at $200,000 a piece. Oh my god. It's fucking Rockstar.
Alright, so is A to go back and try again? Oh, I don't want to go back and try again.
Yeah. No, you just press, if you just hold B, it will take you out of the game.
It's not taking me out though.
Oh no. Good.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
I got you. Look, it's gonna give you a choice to stop now. When I get in. There you go.
Challenge him to a 2-piece.
What did he say?
Now we're stuck in the game.
Are you out?
No, I'm not out. Oh,
Alright.
there we go. I'm out now. See score.
Yeah, you can see all my scores, yeah. So you should. See how you stopped me? Yeah. Come here, let me show you this. I already got the money. Had 50,000. Do the Madame Bazaar right there. Well, you got the arcade, so you knew.
I don't have none of this stuff in the arcade though.
Oh, really?
Oh crap.
Yeah, you see that? That's why I wanted to do it. It looks pretty cool. First time that I got in right here, I was like, whoa, fucking Rockstar. It's it. It's the basement, bro.
Step back, please. Hey,
What's up, bitch?
Yeah, I don't
you're only
have any of this stuff. Mine is empty.
Yeah. Yeah, the only thing that I didn't buy was the door because it's a waste of money. And I've done this setup like 5 times, 6 times. I want to do it all, all the hardest. It's three ways in each: hard, easy, and super hard. And then it give you one that is like a super hard. It's like a skull mode. And with that one, you get like something different. You get like diamonds. I want to get this. What's the name? The machine. This machine right here. What's this? How do you get it? How the hell do you buy this shit? It's something that you can buy right here. It's called a master terminal.
Oh. How much does it cost?
How do you see it? It costs a lot, bro. It costs almost $2 million, and don't do nothing but just tell you the stuff. Let me see. I need to see how do you. Okay, so the computer. It shouldn't be with a computer.
Opal Casino. Have you already done this?
Yeah. Done it like 6 times. Oh, there it is. What? Guess how much it is? Okay, the drone. You can buy a drone now that you can just pull up in the middle of free mode. That's 1,460,000. And the master terminal is $1,740,000. Bro.
Everything's so expensive now.
Bro. That's a lot of fucking money right there. That's a lot of money. I want it though. I really want it. Have you seen it? What it look like?
Nah, not yet.
Oh man. Pull out the phone or something and look at it. This shit. Oh man, I wanna buy this shit. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make that money back, bro. Can't be spending.
Whoa.
Can't be spending no fucking $1,700,000 in that. I don't glitch. That's one expensive piece of equipment right there.
Are glitches even possible in this game?
Oh yeah. Yeah, people fucking glitching all the time, doing fucking car duplications and shit. Fucking cheating. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we can do this because you fail, bro. Like, I wish I could have do it with you because it'll give you good money. You get like almost $1 million. You will fail. Oh, but you know what? I have something else. Yeah, whatever. I have, okay, so I have the Doomsday scenario, and I got heist, and and we can do missions, which I'm pretty good at it. I have a playlist, They'll give us like about $50,000 to $60,000 in each. You know, like the Martin, the Dexter, and all that. I know how to do it really easy.
I have like an hour and 30 minutes left. Like an hour left.
An hour left.
Yeah.
Let me think about it.
Cause I have like a college classes to go to tomorrow.
Yeah, no problem. I'm just saying, you know. Okay, so let's do my playlist. That'll give you in an hour, which that's how much it'll be long taking. It'll give you $400,000, $360,000. And I think it'll give us more now because it's double money. It's one of the missions of double money.